Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here to do a flip through of another little Halloween journal that I've made for this 2026 season. I'm calling it the Black Cat fortune telling game or journal. It is made from a file folder. It's covered in the sticky backed velvet, both inside and out. It has a velvet ribbon charm with a circle and a star. It has another little charm on the side here, a little moon, and it has the bulldog clip with, again, the star charm. On the inside is a library card and just a library book card, and then an inventory list. This is a little Dollar Tree tag that I made. This one has a little vial on here, and it's got white glitter, and then it just says bone dust. And then this is just a little tuck spot with a couple of journaling cards, a little Salem Broom Company. And then this is some ledger paper. This was my mom, not ledger paper, shorthand paper from my mom. I believe this is from the 1940s. And then just some book page. And this is some handmade paper. This is a vintage map, and I have a little sticker on there. This is some vintage ledger paper, and then I have two little digital pumpkin patch and apple picking tags. And this is from the Dollar Tree that I painted, and then I added it, and then I added just a little tag to go with it, and that's some more of the ledger paper. And then this is just a little poison apple sticker. And then this is the center of the signature. It's a little digital print. It says Happy Halloween Greetings, and then the back is plain for you to embellish. And then this is just some seismic paper that somebody gifted me. I believe it's from the 60s. And then this is just some plain copy paper that I tea-dyed. This is a little digital witch that I made a tag. And then more of the ledger paper. This is just, again, some plain paper, but it has a little Halloween subway art. A guest check that has a little witch on there, and then these are just the rest of the pages. Again, some map paper, and then this is a digital Moonlight Magic, a little sticker. This one I made a little rusted mini clipboard, and I just added some papers that were from the journal, and then it has a little covers the paper clip on the back, and then the back is just this little goblin, and then a house, a haunted house, and then just a couple of tags in there. So that is that one. It will be for sale, or it is for sale in my Etsy shop, Rust Paper Scissors. I would appreciate it if you leave me a comment or ask a question. Take a look. I have other things for sale in my shop, a lot of rusted items if you're interested, which I think goes very well with Halloween. And I just want to thank you very much.